Hi everybody, welcome to another weather vlog. Today is August 1st, 2025, and we just had tons of rain yesterday, all day, continuous. It was continuous, and we needed it. So, very excited about that. The cold front did go through. Dry air has come in to the northeast. Temperature 74 degrees right now. Yesterday we stayed in the 60s all day, but beautiful weekend coming up in New England, and the whole northeast should be in the 70s, and I'm very happy. So I'll see you later. Bye.